Kelly vetoes a sweeping tax bill as she voices concerns about its cost. The bill consolidated the state's income tax brackets, moving Kansas from 3 tax brackets to 2, giving many taxpayers a cut in the process. The measure also eliminates taxes on Social Security income, lowers the statewide mill levy for schools, and speeds up the elimination of the state sales tax on food to July 1st. The measure passed with largely bipartisan support, but in vetoing the bill, Kelly says she didn't want to jeopardize the state's future fiscal stability. Republican leaders say they will now try to override that veto.